Hey everyone, and welcome back to Title Tidbits with Omega National Title. I'm Vanessa, and today we're talking about bankruptcy and real estate. What happens when your seller tells you they filed bankruptcy? And what's the difference between Chapter 7, Chapter 11, and Chapter 13? So let's make it simple. Chapter 7 is liquidation. It's generally used by individuals looking to eliminate certain unsecured debts. A bankruptcy trustee oversees the case, and non-exempt assets need to potentially be sold to pay creditors. So if your seller is in an active Chapter 7, the trustee may have a role in what happens with that property. Chapter 11 is reorganization. This can be used by businesses and individuals in real estate. You may see it with builders or developers. Instead of liquidating assets, there's a plan to reorganize that debt, and then there's Chapter 13. This is a repayment plan. This is for individuals with regular income. The debtor generally follows a plan to repay debts over a period of 3 to 5 years. So remember, Chapter 7 is liquidation, Chapter 11 is reorganization, and Chapter 13 is repayment plan. Now, why does any of this matter to you as a realtor? Because when someone files bankruptcy, their real estate may become part of what's called the bankruptcy estate. That means your seller may not necessarily have complete control over selling that property. Bankruptcy can also trigger an automatic stay. Basically, most collection activity against the debtor stops completely, and that can include foreclosure proceedings. So if your seller tells you, "My house is in foreclosure and I filed for bankruptcy," you need to know about both. And here's one more really important distinction: discharge versus dismissal. A discharge can release someone from personal responsibility for certain eligible debts, but it does not automatically mean that the bankruptcy case is closed. And it does not automatically make liens against the property disappear. A dismissal means the bankruptcy case ends without the debtor receiving that bankruptcy debt relief. So when your seller says, "Oh, my bankruptcy is over," your next question should be, was it discharged or was it dismissed? As a realtor, you don't need to be a bankruptcy attorney, but you do need to know what questions to ask and what type of bankruptcy was filed. Is it still active? Was it discharged or dismissed? Is there a foreclosure? And does anything need to happen through the bankruptcy court or trustee before the property can be sold? Bankruptcy doesn't necessarily mean the property can't be sold. It means there may be additional steps before it can. And you'd much rather find out when you take the listing than 3 days before closing. So if you want to learn more about bankruptcy, foreclosure, and REO transactions, reach out to me. We can get you into one of our upcoming classes where we take a much deeper dive into what realtors need to know. I'm Vanessa with Omega National Title, and I'll see you next week.